Hey everybody. So I come in work this morning and somebody has kicked the door open to this room, which is full of stuff. Of course I just throwed all those boxes in here, and they kicked this door open to this room to break in. As you can see, they did a number on the door here. But they didn't, I don't see anything they took. I mean, like there's a brand new pressure washer. It ain't never been run. There's a moped. There's a snowblower back in there. There's backpack leaf blowers, and there's a fold-up bicycle. I guess it was just so cluttered they just decided not to take anything. But that's sitting right out in the open. I guess I got lucky. Somebody's walking upstairs and it sounds like they're coming on top of me. I mean, there's ladders and everything in here. But they didn't take any. So I got a few old remote pads that I'm redoing. In case anything ever happens, I'll have transportation. But anyway, I think they got my water pump. I don't see it. I had a big water pump. I don't see it. I'm getting ready to clean some stuff out and see if I can locate that. But I want to fix this door where they can't do this again. I scraped up some stuff to fix the door. Piece of angle there. Some 3-inch screws and some washers. I'm not going to buy a new door. The door is not tore up at all. As you can see, the lock and everything's still there. But I'm going to fix it. And that's basically what I'm going to do. Is I put the wood back, and I'm going to screw some 3-inch screws through that piece of angle. And then I'm going to get it back into this plate. I'm going to angle those screws back into that plate, and so it'll help secure it. I mean, really, I'm going to pull all the stuff that's expensive out of here today, so. But because we're getting ready to clean this out. It's just an old junk room. We throw stuff. See, it's as simple as that. Now if this was my home, I'd have probably replaced the door, or at least the side piece there, the side of the jamb. But I don't own this building, and I didn't even call the police because I'm not even for sure if anything's taken, and if it was that pump, the deductible would probably be more than I would get. So, and they just go up on you when you do that. Anyway. And that should do it. That should take care of it. We'll check it with the key. Well, found the piece that came out of it. Really didn't cost me anything because I had this stuff, but just time out of my day. Anyway. Pretty strong now. Thanks for watching.